Hey GG's, so we're going out now. Actually, I'm not sure if we're going to be able to vlog because it is quite windy, but we'll see what happens. But we're going to take some snaps, we're going to the beach, just to take a young walk in Yana. But we'll see if we can give you other updates and other things that are cool and interesting. But yeah, it is quite windy and stuff, so yeah. So Marasi and Spoonin. Oh. How you get? Tired of it. They were telling us not to log here, not to what, and sure the watch will be locked out. Like the absolute ghetto. But Tesla. GG's Minayoke is our food, so like went out for that long, but I am sweating and I'm hot, so before 10 I think I'm gonna take another shower actually now. Yeah. Gonna take another shower. Swangin. Swangin in. Yeah, some together.
Does your burger come with chips? Okay. Can I have a chicken burger? Uh-huh. So one beef burger, one chicken burger. Yes. That's it. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Hey GG's, so we're just chilling in bed now, enjoying a beautiful view. Siza Storytime. No, we're just enjoying a view. Askaten. Asike goal corner, Maraskaten. Yeah, like I literally. Like I haven't slept, guys. But we're just enjoying a view. We just ordered room service. Yeah, we're not gonna go physically to dinner today. Like we're just so tired. We don't even know what we're doing tomorrow.
Bruh.
Like that. Oh, that's another thing I wanted to tell you towards the end of the room tour yesterday. With literally, this is probably one of the first trips where we literally did not plan any activities. There's one thing that we felt like doing, but it's like 2 hours away from here. So we're not sure if we're gonna do that, but that's the only thing basically. Here in Sri Lanka, a lot of places they have a lot of safaris, they have a lot of like the things we sort of like do and are sort of like used to and stuff. Even though I don't mind going to like safaris and game drives, like I don't mind doing that, but I was like, it's not for this particular trip. So we haven't booked anything literally. So we'll see maybe tomorrow what we're gonna book. We're probably just gonna take it easy tomorrow as well and see the day after that what we end up getting up to. And yeah, but literally I can book here. Like nothing why I can plan in terms of activities. And yeah, also this place is sort of like far away from generally a lot of things. Sort of like but yeah, it's not in the. I know when you're in Colombo, so Colombo is where we landed, sort of like city type of vibe. There's a lot of things to do, like city tours, street tours, food tours, and all the things that are sort of like unique to this place or to Sri Lanka. But as soon as you go to the islandy part of it, the beachfront and all of that, you start getting like similar things to like any other destination or any other destination that's located on an island, beach type of thing.
What area are we in?
We are in Tangali, we're in Gale. It's called gale, but also called tangale.
Garlic, it's called garlic.
Gale. I don't know if you pronounce it that way, but I pronounce it as gale. So in gale, there's quite a few different areas that are sort of like popular. I know there's Mirasa or something like that. There's another cool activity that I wanted to do, Maranayo. It's there. There's quite a few, obviously Colombo. I think there's about 7 or 8 sort of like popularish places. And yeah. So let's wait for food, Chiji's. Bese siyalala. We're currently also uploading Kota Convoy, second episode of Kota Convoy. Nah, if you haven't checked out Kota Convoy, make sure that you check it out. Really dope series. Okay, maybe this is the food this time. Let's see. Hello. Hi. Yes. Ooh, yes, yeah.
Your signature.
Okay, so good luck with Figila Makanga. Top of the morning, GG's. We are off to breakfast. And we're still tired, honestly, I don't wanna lie. We're still tired. Literally had to set an alarm to wake up. Otherwise, if we didn't set an alarm, we weren't gonna make it. So, yeah, but we're off to breakfast now. And actually, my wife has left already. I'm just trying to catch up. But yeah, let's go to breakfast. What's your fave?
Morning, GG's. Cheers.
Yes,
One foot yogurt.
yes. With muesli, please.
Sorry?
With muesli. Muesli,
Muesli.
Yes.
With muesli.
yes.
Okay, and some main course for you?
Yes, do you have a full breakfast? Okay, Gaza. Okay. Do you have a full breakfast? So eggs, bacon, sausage.
Yes, we have. So you have a choice because we have fried egg, scrambled egg, omelets, and egg benedicts, which serve to baked sausage, bacon sausage, mushroom, and everything.
So they just bought me a cake, Mankulela as well. How cute is this cake? So that's it. Everywhere you go, kata, cake, kata. It was until
Kata. You're dumb.
but that was so sweet. That was special.
Birthdays in
and,
Sri Lanka. Hey GG's, I am in the dark. I don't know if you can see the guy in the back there. Not sure who he is, but he's giving me the creeps.
Nice picture.
He's giving me the creeps because he's walking behind me. Who does that?
But what's in it?
Anyway, we're off to dinner. It's been a beautiful day. Imagine going to dinner. I'm in this green dress. Follow me on Instagram, you saw that I did a get ready with me. With what I wore on the island today. Wearing this green dress from Fashion Nova with the tassels. Also, if you watch our channel, Now Hauls, you would have seen this dress. So I had to wear it, guys. So yeah, I'm wearing that dress. The humidity feels so good on my skin, feels dewy. And say, like, guys, I love being on an island. Like, I just feel like a different person. Like, yo. But yeah, we're off to dinner now. And yeah, let's see. Yesterday we had, we ordered room service because we were quite tired. So today we're just like, let's join the resort for dinner. So yeah, here's your fave. He was wearing this cute two-piece today.
Hey guys.
Baby, yes, Mara, the Gigi said, Bakala food check.
What's a message my event?
Excuse me.
What's a message my event?
No, in general, I think in general that's what they want, but we failed to do this. And you're not even dressed the way you were dressed because you've changed your shoes.
Yeah, now I'm wearing flip-flops. I was wearing some sandals.
Yeah. Now
nice
you guys have changed.
Jerusalem.
Yeah. I'm wearing Crocs.
Yeah.
If they focus. See, I'm wearing Crocs. So, sorry guys, maybe some if check stuff.
Yo, guys,
it's so good.
The ocean, the palm
trees. It is so good. And there, the world is yours. And there.
We have a really nice area here, like the dinner area. So the dinner area is the same as the lunch area and breakfast area. This accommodation has one restaurant.
Yeah.
So it's by the beach. There's a nice pool here. People can chill here and just have a good time. Not during the day. There's a nice breeze, even though it's hot. But there's a nice breeze. So yeah, we're also gonna enjoy that same breeze over dinner. So I swing it in. Okay.
What about dinner now? I'm ready for, ready for wood. Hey, that's been full of Buzuti. I have my passport to it. I haven't seen them in a while. I'll check her in. So to Jesus.
So good.
Thank you. Ooh. Cheers, sorry.
Why isn't it in here, but
huh?
Why isn't it in here, but
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, guys.
Can I please have your Sri Lankan lagoon crab curry?
Lagoon crab curry.
Is it good?
Yes, sir. We use serve the lagoon crab. You know lagoon crab. It's a little bit bigger than the sea crab.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
So is it de-shelled already?
No de-shell, with the shell.
That's fine.
Is it possible to de-shell it?
I like de-shell, I went.
Okay, no, it's
maybe
fine.
to look alright.
Yeah, it's fine. Mama aroma.
My fragrant.
That's another benefit. Yeah, some of the things you don't get when you have room service.
Another thing I wanted to say is that, like, I need to stop feeling bad for just sitting and doing nothing when I'm on holiday. Sometimes I feel bad and I'm just like,
when I stop that thing,
Sometimes I feel like, oh my gosh, you're doing something. I'm like, so why am I on holiday? You know, I just stop feeling bad. If
Sometimes can close down, but my room.
I don't care.
That's cool.
Yeah, true. Our food has arrived and I played it safe. I'm having some chicken legs and some fries with some barbecue sauce. Mzwandile was like, I'm not playing it safe. And he is having lobster curry with some rice and all the condiments, and yeah, looks really good.
We're done with dinner, going back to our room now. In Mzwandile. Going back to our room now. These are always the best walks. Yo, guys, like these walks. If you know these walks, these are the best walks. So it's going back to our room. I enjoyed my dinner. Just proper. Just proper sinamachiji. Yeah. Kunabantu ababukela embhedeni nabazali or like yazi mulele embhedeni
Nabazali.
or someone phela. And basembhedeni and babukele something, then it suddenly becomes bright even though their brightness is low. But yeah, so we're at our room now and dinner was amazing. I had crab curry crab shandies, and it was stunning. I struggled with cutting some of the crab legs.
You have so much crab though. Damn.
Yeah, and it was nice though. Like the curry msoko up. It was absolutely beautiful. Another thing, now, let me switch on the lights. Another thing, now, another thing they said we can do, I'm not sure if we'll try it out, but another thing they said we can do, if there's something that we want, they can make it for us. And while they make it for us, anything that's sort of like local and Sri Lankan and all of that, if we want it, they can make it for us. And they can make it for us with
Just
us. Huh?
It's not good.
Thanks, babe. They can make it for us with us, so we can spend time with the chef in the kitchen as they make it for us, and they'll teach us different things. That would be a cool experience. We'll see if we try it out.
Come to Ahu Bay.
So come through to Ahu Bay and come and cook with the chef, and they make you your meal. I know other people don't enjoy eating the meals they've cooked themselves, but it would be a nice experience, especially if it's like a local Sri Lankan dish. But yeah, GG's, we're in the room now. We're just gonna take it easy, man. I mean, I think I'm actually gonna swim. Babe, what's to swim, Anton? Yeah? So nibona kusasa, my gang, or later. Ciao, Vich.
Yo, Siasha, we are burning. Hey GG's, it is so hot outside. We tried to go chill on the day beds, but we are Siza, so Mzwandile decided, suggested rather, that maybe we should go take a dip in the pool. So I was already chilling in this swimsuit. I don't know if I'm gonna change it or just continue going to swim with this one. One thing about me, I'll have more swimsuits than clothes, so I can't afford to change a swimsuit. But yeah, it's quite hot. It's quite hot. Maybe we should order some cocktails. Like the way it's so hot, guys. Like, and even the sea breeze at this point is not helping. Like even the humidity is not too bad though. Like it's not like crazy bad, but it's quite hot. So I have some light makeup on. Luckily, I brought my powders and they're helping with keeping my makeup on. Mzwandile's in the bathroom. I think he's changing. Oh, I could look at this all day. The waves crashing over there from our bed. I could literally look at this all day. Yeah, anywho, let's go.
Hey Gigi, so we decided to move this party to the pool.
This was a great idea, babe.
Yeah, after burning on the day
This was a
beds.
great idea. Shout out. Then I got
Shout
the
out.
idea. I was just like, but can you see us, guys? Wait. I don't think they can see you.
Let's come this
Let's
side.
come this side.
But you know, I'm trying to
Oh, wait, let me see if I can see.
Can you see me? Oh, can you see me?
Yeah, much better. Yeah. I know you guys can see us, but can you guys see us? But this is a great idea. You're like, maybe let's just go swim school down. I was just like, ah.
Oh, poor Lilela.
Yo, and the water's not too cold, like it's just cooling. It's perfect.
Hey, oh my god. Oh, but this place is so glorious.
It's a beautiful place. We're swimming in our private villa. We're overlooking the ocean.
I'm not sure if you can hear it.
Yeah, but we can hear and see it.
But yeah, man. Things haven't changed in the past 4 years. My wife said we must race. We decided to race, and I beat her.
Past 11 years.
Mara 4 years married.
Yeah, but we've been together for 11
Oh, we've been
years.
racing for 11 years, and
Yeah.
I'm still the champion.
I don't know about that.
Yes, okay, let's race. As well. Let's settle it for the cheeky.
No.
What?
No, I beat you, Zandi. Like,
When?
can't be a two-time champion. Beat my bum.
What? I'm even giving her a head start.
Head start one.
Head start.
1, 2, 1, go.
Put the water. Put the water.
No, look at my poop. Both.
I'm afraid nothing has changed. Right? We have to let go get.
My poop popped out. My poop popped out. So,
That's your excuse.
yeah, they slowed me down.
Oh, geez.
Anywho, I hope you're right.
That's right.
Namakhaza lapho ne-load shedding konke. I hear you guys are going through a lot. Can't relate.
There's one. I said you was, hey. Hey, mhlaba yenzakalani?
Underground, gas leaks, what, explode.
Like me.
Can't relate, guys.
But yeah, GG's. We'll see you guys inside. Ciao, baby. Hey, GG, so we're about to go to dinner. I just took a shower. My wife was finishing off her. She was finishing off her outfit. Shandi said, "Get ready with me." Then we're gonna leave. Yo, guys, we have a dilemma. So we are leaving in 2 nights and 3 days. Yeah, I think we're leaving in 2 nights and 3 days. and we've been trying to book an activity. So this has been a blessing and a curse at the same time, because for the first, everywhere we go, we always try and relax and not do too much, even though we do end up doing like a lot. But this time around, preparing and coming here, we're struggling to find activities that we'd like to do, like things that we wouldn't like find in South Africa or whatever. And there's like a lot of safaris and other cool things to do, but they're actually quite far. One of the things I wanted to do was like a train ride, which is in Kandy, and I think it's about 4 or 5 hours from here. So that wasn't gonna work. So there are certain things you can do in Sri Lanka, but based on where we're staying, they weren't gonna really work. So we're like, okay, let's at least find one. We'll rest the entire time, but let's at least find one to do like in the middle of our trip. And yeah, then the rest of the time we'll be by the pool, beach, and just taking it easy. So we eventually found one, and now they keep on saying this day is not available, this day is not available, and we're about to leave. And we're about to leave. So yeah, so hey, so the other day they have available is on Sunday, is on Saturday, but at 3:30. So and the next day we're leaving, and we're leaving quite early because transfers from here take like 2 hours. So we need to leave quite early. Our flight is in the morning, so like it's a lot. So we're not sure if we're gonna take that activity or we're just gonna let it be and just enjoy and relax for the rest of the entire time without getting a bit of like Sri Lanka, like a proper element that's like original to Sri Lanka. So that's where we are right now, and yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. The late we wanted to at least do it tomorrow so that we have 2 other days to relax. But now it seems like we're gonna have to do it the day after that. Then the next day, yeah. So I don't know, but we'll see. Hope you guys have still been enjoying this vlog though. Yeah, I feel like it's a bit different. I feel like we literally tried to be intentional about taking it easy. Now when we're going to 10, I don't think we're gonna take you guys along. I'll find out from my wife. But yeah, like it's been good to just take it easy. But we have been posting on Instagram, so that's why it's important for you guys to follow us on Instagram to see what we're up to and what we're doing. My wife's outfits have been fire, so make sure that you also follow her, Mzwandile underscore. Her get readies with me, her outfits, her bikinis, and all her looks and on her page. So yeah, do make sure that you follow her, follow us, and yeah, man. Jesus, I also would say some banana. So say
yabashi
yeah.
ngilayitela iflash ukuthi ngiza ngibona ukuthi ngiglowa kanjani. Cha ningibone kahle.
Nesa ibona ntwana.
How do you like my sleeves? They're so cute.
The cutest.
That time I'm walking with someone who's wearing a Paris t-shirt.
Obvious, once and always I change. What is Sri Lanka? I change. Once and always.
I'm walking with someone who's wearing a Paris t-shirt. But to his defense, he's showered.
What do you mean I've showered?
You showered like no, you showered like again, like now in the evening.
Yeah, I know, but you Paris t-shirt ingenapi ek showering.
No, meaning sushinjile, like your outfit of the day.
Oh.
Yes. I mean, I still have my makeup, still glowing. I'll shower after what do you call this? Dinner.
Asambe phela.
Oh, in the dark. Let's go. Ish. My pants are long.
What's the outfit of the day?
I'm wearing Crocs now. It's late.
no space on this camera. It's only 2 minutes. Hey, GG's. Cheers. Skata corner, every time, Bana, around this time, in between time. Luckily, actually, my wife is not sick. Every time when I'm in the pool in the evening, my wife is sick. She's in bed sick somewhere. Angeke baby. Angeke. Njalo mengla. Jeez, every time when I'm here with you, my wife is sick somewhere. But I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Dinner today was absolutely stunning. Yo, I'm glad we ended up taking you guys, even though it wasn't much. But yo, the food we had, we both had curries. Oh, they were hot. Like the spices, and they warned us on the flight on our way here. Speaking to the attendants, they're asking us where we're going and blah blah blah, telling us what to try out and all of that. And they're like, guys, take it easy on the food. Just be careful because the food there is crazy spicy. Oh, GG's, while I was still worried about space, the battery just died. But I didn't even see it coming. Okay, this one is fine. But the space is still low because I don't like interchanging too many memory cards. I even forgot where I was. But when such good njalo mengla made a sick. Oh, but I was also saying today's food, or they were telling us that we shouldn't go hard on the food, spices and all of that. So today we had chicken curry, beef curry, and all the side. Like today's 27 colors, like proper 7, if not 11 colors. The food was amazing. We enjoyed it. It was quite spicy, but like that, the good spicy. So yeah, it was a lot. But yeah, now just taking it easy, having chill vibes. My wife didn't want to come and swim with me, so I'm here by myself. Sugar my drinks, and yeah. Okay guys, we're shy then, but we decided to order some waffles and ice cream. Guys, my waffles are la. I think these are probably the best waffles I've ever had. Rocco Mama's ngaibona, Spare ngaibona, and I think those are the only ones I've
Huh? I said that during breakfast, not when I know.
Yeah, I know, but today I'm convinced. Today I'm convinced because I had thingy as well at breakfast, so I'm like, I'm convinced. So this is what we're gonna have and call it a dark. So now say shy, like, it's on one of my gang, Jove.